gosh, here it is.
Legoland Railroad train.
Enjoy what Johnny showed.
Hi guys, today we're getting the MTA double-decker bus and New Jersey Transit wooden train coaches.
Yeah, so we're here on our way to the Transit Museum because we heard that there's a new double-decker MTA bus. So we want to get that toy.
You saw it in the screen, my computer.
Yeah, I saw it online. So hopefully they have it.
The time clock me.
Whoa! Check out Johnny's backpack. It's huge! It's a steam engine. Search for vehicles.
Wait. That sign says stop.
Stop!
The sign says stop. Do you want to ride the train? Not really. This is the entrance.
They're riding the train.
Yes, New York Transit Museum. We're going to the store.
Bye outside. Yeah. Look, we have the work train.
I know, we have that one.
And look, we have this one. And look at that. Rutherford's, there's three of them. And look,
You like
the
it?
MTA bus is there.
The shed set. So, okay, let's go find that double-decker bus. Do they have it? Do they have it? Do they have it? I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it.
I want it. Look up there. What is that? I'm going to get the speedy bullet train.
Finally found it.
I know, he wants that one so much.
Can I see it? Is it motorized?
They have this.
Whoa, that's the app Brio train.
I like this.
Do you want to get that one?
Yeah.
It's a high-speed train. Japanese bullet train. Should we get it?
Yeah.
And look, guys, look.
Ouch.
Look at this one and this one. It has a plug.
This is a rechargeable train. Oh my gosh, here it is. Yay, found it. Okay, yeah, this is a double-decker New York City bus. It is. I was getting a little scared because I couldn't see it. How much is it?
It's $10.
I don't think it's $10.
No, it is $10.
Oh, look, check out. This is a vintage bus. Wow.
Vintage bus.
Get there.
The New Jersey Transit coaches.
So you got the Comet V commuter and the multi-level commuter. Are you getting both?
Yeah.
Okay, we might get both or one of these. I don't know.
Look at this train. It can draw a train.
Here's some SEPTA trains.
What's this one?
Somebody commented that they wanted us to get it, but I don't know if we're gonna get it today.
A shark in a train.
Shark?
Yeah.
Shark! It belongs in the water. Look at this train.
I know, I like this one.
Lionel Yankee Stadium, right, guys?
Yeah, Lionel Yankees train. This is a bullet train. Is it motorized?
No.
Here, Metro North.
Oh yeah, Metro North on a mug. I need this one. My birthday's coming up.
Map cups. The MTA train one. The Express train and this one.
Oh, this is from the Smart Tech series. This is like a workshop.
Railway workshop. This train.
Brooklyn Elevated Equipment.
Oh my gosh, look at this old train. What's this?
Grand Central Terminal. We've been there 1,000 times.
Yeah.
There's so many train books.
Let's go. Look at this. What? Is there a train book?
And a bus book. Might get this Mighty Red Action Locomotive train. We're gonna be doing some crazy track series and it's going to be fun. This is a strong locomotive train. This is a wooden hero. Should we get this?
Yeah. Yeah, we're done? I don't want to be done. I want to keep shopping. Okay. A duck. You got a duck here. Duck's a duck.
Let me see.
Duck.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
Duck.
Stand clear, the closing doors. Quack, quack, quack. Ollie. Brooklyn streetcars. We're gonna get trains A, B, and C to start building up our collection.
ABC.
R46, R68, and R32. Still 10.
This one. And this one.
Oh, I'm so excited about this one.
And this one. And this one. We
Is that ABC?
so heavy. Look at this trend I'm going to open today.
Alright. Thank you. You're welcome.
Come.
Take your bag.
Okay, right? Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Other way.
Push.
Other way.
Other way here
Yes.
is now we'll look at the
Huh.
trains. Look at the trains. There's over the MTA. Long Island Railroad train.
3. Seven. Yeah, you got so many awesome new toys. I can't wait to open them.
I want to open the Brio.
Yeah, we'll see which one. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and
Subscribe. Until next time. Bye.
bye.
For this.
Yeah. Guys, please check out and subscribe to our new gaming channel, Johny Shows Gaming.